Mamata government out on a mission. Come, invest in West Bengal, betting high on attractive investment in the state. The highlight of the 4th edition of the 2-day annual investment summit was a coming together of the centre and the state governments, both promising to put aside their political differences to boost economic development and growth. Asking West Bengal to broaden its manufacturing base to create more jobs, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley asserted that the centre will support states in every possible way, stressing the need to stand together for national causes.
Economic development of India and economic development of the states is one such larger national cause for which we all have a shared vision. I am here to assure you the central government will strongly stand behind the state government in order to support each one of the rupees and dollars that you invest in the state.
It's a development project. It is nothing is related to politics, and I think that what Jaitley ji also said, I also said, that political development, it cannot destroy the country's development. So let us work together.
The cornerstone of the finance minister's speech at the summit was clear: the need to attract investment in an atmosphere of competitive federalism. The minister further said that West Bengal will benefit from the implementation of the goods and services tax.
We've also given an assurance to all the states that as a result of the implementation of the GST, which is a long demand as far as this country is concerned, no state will lose a single rupee of revenue. We have assured them of compensating them against any loss of revenue. In the case of West Bengal, which is predominantly a consuming state, I have not the least doubt in my mind that their revenue position is going to be much better in year one of the GST implementation itself.
West Bengal Chief Minister said that the state is poised to emerge as the gateway of the Southeast Asia in terms of business and industry.
We are going to set up so many tourism, the eco-tourism park to tourism industry also, cultural industry also. The Bay of Bengal, its area. The Bengal, the beauty is, it is a gateway of Southeast Asia.
Industry leaders such as Adi Godrej, Niti Piramal, Yogi Deveshwar, Sanjeev Goenka and chairmen of several public and private sector industries and the high-level business delegations from 20 countries are participating in the summit. In Kolkata, Snehashi's source report for DD News.